Hello and welcome to lesson 5 of Crochet and Craft Away. My name is Lisa and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to double treble crochet. As you can see, I've done my foundation chain. If you can do your foundation chain of your required length. In this video I've done a chain of 20. But you do whatever is required. To start with, after doing your foundation chain, you can wrap your yarn round your needle twice, insert your hook into the 5th loop from the hook. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook through there, yarn over, pull the yarn through the first loop. Then we've got 4 loops on our needle. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And that is your double treble crochet. You don't have to go into the 5th loop again, you go into the next loop. You wrap the yarn again round the hook twice. You go into the next loop across. Wrap your yarn round the hook. Take it through the first loop. Wrap yarn round the hook. Take it through the next 2. Wrap the yarn round the hook. Take it through the next 2. Wrap yarn round the hook. Take it through the last 2. And as you can see how that's looking. And again, round your hook twice with the yarn, take it through to the next loop, yarn round hook again, pull it through the first loop, yarn round hook, pull it through the next 2, yarn round hook, pull through the next 2, yarn round the hook and pull it through the next 2. And I'll show you again. Yarn round the hook twice, pull it through the next loop across, yarn round hook, pull that yarn through the first loop, yarn round hook, pull it through the next 2, yarn round hook, pull it through the next 2, yarn round hook and pull it through the next 2. And there you have your double treble crochet. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like. It'd be nice if you could subscribe to my channel of Crochet and Craft Away for more tutorials on stitches, and following to come soon is some projects. Thank you.